Is your Windows operating system reporting the Gdi32full.dll failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. As we prepare the manual solution for Gdi32full, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This DLL file is an updated core Windows library that implements the full suite of GDI graphics functions. It works alongside this DLL file to provide high-performance 2D vector graphics and font rendering for apps. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Because the Gdi32full.dll is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Gdi32full. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Be aware that manual fixes for the Gdi32full.dll often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes the Gdi32full related documentation. If this fix repaired the Gdi32full dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.